In this video, we are going to evaluate logs without using a calculator. Okay, so we are just going to be basically using the basic rules of logarithmic functions. So if you didn't watch that video, just search on YouTube, type basics of logarithmic functions, and then in front put Tutor Poul solutions. You'll be able to get that video, okay, so that you watch first of all on the basic rules, and then now you can come and answer these questions. Okay, so the question here says determine the exact value of each of the following without using a calculator. Alright, so we're going to say A, we have log base 7 of 343. So this here will be the same as log base 7, and then that 343 here. Okay, this 343, we can write it in terms of 7 to the power something. Okay, so 343 is the same as 7 to the power 3. And then we know that by the rules of logarithmic function, I can drop this power 3 in front here. So it means I'm going to have 3 log base 7, 7. Okay, and what did we say if we have log of the same base with the following number here, like we have 7, 7 there. So we said log b of b would always be equals to 1. Okay, so it doesn't matter the number that you have there, as long as those numbers are the same, we are going to get 1. Okay, so this would be 3 multiplied by log base 7 of 7 is 1, so this will just be what? 3. So log 7 343 will just be the same as 3. Alright, so now let's look at the other ones. Right, so the next one is B. So on B we have log base 4 of 1024. So here I just have to express that 1024 in terms of 4 to the power something. Okay, so this would be same as log 4, then that 1024 is the same as 4 to the power 5. So we can drop the power using the rules, so that would be 5 log base 4 4. So we know that 5, and then this log base 4 4 is just 1, so this will just be equals to what? 5. Alright, let's look at the next one. So the next one we have C, we have log of base 3 divided by 8, and then we have 27 divided by 5 12. So this here will just be the same as log of base 3 over 8. Okay, and then we can express 27 as 3 to the power something. Okay, so 27 is the same as 3 to the power 3, and then 512, okay, 512 is the same as 8 to the power 3. Okay, so what we have here now, okay, will be 3, okay, will be 3 to the power 3 divided by 8 to the power 3. So since we have the same power there, okay, since we have the same power there, we are going to say that is the same as this. Okay, so it's going to be log of 3 divided by 8. Since we have the same power here, we can factorize the power, so we have 3 divided by 8 and then power 3, like that. Okay, so from there we are going to drop the power, so we'll drop this power in front there. So we're going to have 3, okay, log base 3 divided by 8 of 3 divided by 8. So we see that here we have the base being equal to what is following it. Okay, so we have log of base 3 over 8 and then 3 over 8. So that will just basically give us a 1. So 3 multiplied by 1 is just 3. Okay, so whatever we have here will just be equals to what? 3. Alright, so that is C. Let's look at D. So D, we have log of base 11 and then 1 over 121. So this is the same as log of base 11, and then that 1 over 121 is the same as 121 to the power minus 1. Okay, by the laws of indices, we know that if we have a to the power minus b, this will just be the same as 1 divided by a to the power positive b. So this is the one that I've used to change this into this. And then from there, it will be log of base 11. And then this 121 here is the same as 11 to the power 2. And then we have to the power minus 1. So this is going to be equals to log base 11. Okay. And then this 11, now we can multiply this 2 with the minus 1, so it will be 11 minus 2 like that. Okay, and then by the laws of logarithms, we can drop this minus 2. So we're going to have, write it here, we're going to have minus 2 log base 11 11. So log base 11 11 is just 1, so 2 multiplied by 1, we're going to get minus 2 multiplied by 1, we're going to get minus 2. Alright, so that's how we can solve that one. Let's solve E. So on E, we have E, okay, we have log base 0.1, and then we have 0.0001. Okay, so we're going to say this here will be the same as log of 0.1, and then this 0.001 is the same as 0.1 to the power 4. So this is going to be equals to, okay, we can drop the power in front there, so it will just be 4 multiplied by log 0.1 and then 0.1. Okay, so log 0.1 will just be 1, so this will be 4 multiplied by 1, which will just be 4. So 4, that's the final answer there. Okay, so let's look at the next one, which is F. So on F, we have log 16 of 4. So this will be the same as log base 16, and then this 4 here, we can write it as 16 to the power half. So from the laws of indices, we know that if we have a to the power 1 over 2, this will be the same as the square root of what? A. So the square root of 16 is the same as 4. So no wonder I'm saying that 4 can be represented as 16 to the power half. So from there, we can drop these 2 in front. So we're going to have 1 over 2 log 16 of 16. So log 16 of 16 is 1. So it means here we're just going to have what? 1 over 2 as our final answer. What about G? So G, we have log of 10,000. So immediately you notice that you do not have a base given there. Just know that that is a base 10. Okay, so it will be log base 10 of 10,000. So we can write that 10,000 in terms of 10 to the power something. So log 10, log of base 10 and then 10. This 10,000 is the same as 10 to the power 4. So this will be, we drop the 4 in front, and then we have log 10 of 10. So log 10 of 10 is 1, so this is just going to be equals to what? 4. Let's look at the last one now. Okay, so the last one is H, and we've been given a natural log there, which is the ln. Okay, so we have ln of 1 divided by the fifth root of e. Okay, so when you see ln, it just means log to the base e. Okay, so this ln here means log to the base e. And then now we have 1 over fifth root of this e here. Alright, so if I have an expression a to the power 1 over 2, we say that this is the same as the square root of a. If I have a to the power 1 over 3, we say that this is the same as the cube root of a. So what if I have a raised to power 1 over 5? This here will be the same as the fifth root of what? A. So we are going to use this property here on the fifth root of e there, okay, to simplify it. So we are going to say, okay, that ln here has become log e, and then I have 1 divided by this fifth root of e is the same as e to the power 1 over 5. Okay, and then by the reciprocal rule, we know that a to the power minus b is just the same as 1 divided by a to the power positive b. So this is what we can see there. Okay, so we're going to express that now as e to the power a negative number. So it will be log base e of e to the power minus 1 over 5. Okay, so we can drop the power in front. This power here, we drop it in front here. So we're going to have minus 1 over 5, and then we have log e of e. So log e of e is just going to be 1. So minus 1 over 5 multiplied by 1 is just going to give me minus 1 over 5. So this is the final answer, and that's it for this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. For those who need extra lessons, inbox me on my WhatsApp number in the description below. So thank you so much and have a pleasant day.